Men over 50, listen closely. There's a reason you haven't lost your belly, a reason you still look soft in the mirror, a reason you feel heavier, slower, and more frustrated than ever, and a reason nothing you've tried, no diet, no cardio, no weight loss program has actually worked. And that reason comes down to one thing, man. Nobody ever told you the truth about belly fat after 50. Now, today, that ends because I'm gonna explain why this is a much bigger problem than you realize. And this video might be the most important wake-up call you watch all year. All right, I'm also gonna give you the full blueprint to finally lose the belly, rebuild your health, and take your life back physically, mentally, and hormonally. And if you stick with me until the end, I'm gonna give you a simple way to get started immediately. And it's something most men have never been told, but it makes a massive difference when your motivation is low. All right, before we dive in, my name is Gary Walker. I've been coaching men for over 30 years, and for the past 12 years, I've worked exclusively with men over 40, 50, 60, and even into their 80s, men with big bellies, men with diabetes, pre-diabetes, stiff joints, achy bodies, low testosterone, men that had poor sleep habits, high stress, and decades of frustration. Thousands of men have trusted me to help them reverse the clock, to help them lose belly fat, build strength, build muscle, and get healthy again, and feel like themselves again. All right, now what I'm about to share is what works for men your age. All right, so let's start with the uncomfortable truth. That belly isn't harmless. It isn't just a little weight gain, and it isn't something to joke about or hide behind loose shirts. For men over 50, belly fat is primarily visceral fat, the dangerous kind that sits behind your abdominal wall and wraps around your liver, your pancreas, and your intestines. This type of fat is metabolically active. It also sends inflammatory signals through your body all day, every day. It raises blood pressure. It increases blood sugar. It elevates heart attack and stroke risk. It also raises estrogen. It lowers testosterone. It damages liver function, increases cortisol, and weakens your immunity. And it accelerates aging internally and externally. And here's the part most men hate to hear. At this stage of life, we don't have a lot of time left. Your 20s, 30s, and 40s are gone. You don't get those decades back. You don't have another 10 years to think about getting started or trying to figure out how to get healthier. You have to do it now. If you want to stay active, be present with your wife, your kids, your grandkids, or simply enjoy your life with strength and dignity, carrying visceral fat is not an option. This isn't about vanity anymore. This is about survival and your quality of life. So the question becomes, how do you actually get rid of belly fat? All right, let's walk through it clearly, simply, and honestly. For my men, it starts with a structured nutrition strategy that works with aging physiology. Now, that strategy is carb cycling. I talk about it all the time. On training days, you eat complex carbohydrates with your meals. On rest days, days off of training, you pull carbs back and focus on protein and healthy fats and fibrous veggies always. Now, this keeps insulin sensitivity high and encourages fat burning on off days and gives you the fuel you need to train hard when it matters. Now, let me clear something up real quick. Before I go any further, I need to address the loudest group on social media, man, the "you don't need carbs" crowd. Yes, it's technically true, your body can survive without carbohydrates. But listen to me carefully here. You also don't need sex to survive, but I still want it. And I'm guessing you do too. So quality of life matters. The goal isn't just survival, the goal is to feel strong, feel energized, and feel alive. All right, who wants to go the rest of their life without potatoes, fruits, oats, rice, bread, or enjoying a holiday meal with their family? And who wants to live in a world where a baked potato is considered dangerous? Not me, and not the men that I coach, and not any man who wants to be able to train hard, build muscle, and enjoy life. All right, carbohydrates are not the enemy. Excess calories are. Ultra processed foods are. fast food and junk foods are. Now, carbs also do 3 critical things for older men. First, they refill glycogen, the stored form of glucose inside your muscles. More glycogen means fuller muscles, better pumps, and better strength. Second, glycogen pulls water into the muscle cell. That intracellular hydration improves joint protection. It also enhances leverage and makes your muscles look full and strong. Third, carbohydrates fuel high quality resistance training. They give you the energy to train hard, recover properly, and build muscle efficiently. All right, so let's be clear. Carbs don't make men fat. A calorie surplus, inactivity, and lack of structure make men fat. I've coached men for over 30 years and I've used carbohydrates with every single one of them to get lean. Not some of them, all of them. I've helped men lose belly fat, get lean, and even get stage shredded while eating carbohydrates the entire time. So the key isn't removing the carbs, it's controlling total calories and then moving more, get active. Okay, now let's move into the training side of things. If you wanna lose belly fat and you still wanna be able to keep your muscle, resistance training is a non-negotiable. This is also where most men mess up. They try to out-cardio a belly that was built from decades of inactivity, decades of eating bad, and that doesn't work. Belly fat is lost in the kitchen, but your metabolism, the engine that keeps that fat off, is built in the gym. You should be training 3 to 4 days per week using compound movement patterns, push patterns like chest presses, shoulder presses, and then pull patterns like lat pull downs and back rows, and squat patterns like goblet squats and step ups. Also do some hip hinge patterns like Romanian deadlifts, and even incorporate unilateral movements to correct any muscular imbalances, split squats and lunges. Now, these movements burn calories, build muscle, they improve insulin sensitivity, and even improve your hormone profile, all of which shrink that belly fat. All right, now let's talk rep ranges with the workouts. After coaching men from their 40s into their 70s and 80s, I found one rep range that consistently works better than anything else. That's the 8 to 12 rep range. Now, this range allows you to train with enough intensity to stimulate muscle growth while keeping joint stress under control. You're using meaningful weight, which is heavy enough to challenge the muscle and stimulate that muscle without forcing your joints, tendons, and ligaments to absorb excessive load. Now, this is where the 2 reps in reserve rule matters as well. Your final rep should be slow, controlled, yet difficult. You should feel like you can maybe get 2 more reps, but not 3 or 4. And that's where muscle growth is triggered and also your joints stay protected. Now, too light of a weight, nothing changes. Too heavy and your joints take the brunt of the load. All right, so the 8 to 12 reps, push with intent and tracked week to week, is one of the most reliable ways I've seen men over 50 build muscle and stay consistent long term because it doesn't damage and destroy those joints. Now, beyond training, the next factor is simple. Move daily. I don't care if it's 7,000 steps or 10,000 steps. Walking is one of the most powerful fat loss tools for older men. Not HIIT training, which is high intensity interval training, no running, no boot camp torture, just walk, man. Your joints will thank you. Your heart will thank you. Your blood sugar will thank you. And your waistline will thank you. Okay, now we get to the killer combination. Here's the thing, poor sleep and alcohol consumption. If you sleep less than, let's say, 7 hours, your hunger hormones shift, cravings spike, testosterone drops, and fat storage increases, especially around the belly. If you add alcohol on top of that, and you're just pouring gasoline on the fire, alcohol lowers testosterone. It raises estrogen, elevates cortisol. It disrupts deep state and REM sleep. It slows fat burning. It dehydrates you. It increases inflammation. It impairs decision making and accelerates cognitive decline. And the truth is simple. Alcohol has 0 benefits, man, for your body. None. The only thing it reliably improves is your ability to make decisions you regret the next morning. All right, if you want your belly gone, nightly drinking has to go. Now let me give you the most powerful fat loss tool I've ever used with my clients. Something no one ever talks about, but it works almost every single time. Start a fat loss journal. Not a food log journal, not tracking macros, not workouts, a why journal. First, get down to your underwear and take 3 pictures. Front, side and back. No filters, no posing, just you in that vulnerable moment. Then look at those pictures and write down exactly how you feel in that moment. Not what you think you should feel, what you actually feel when you look at those pictures. Embarrassed, frustrated, angry, ashamed, defeated, depressed. Now write it all down. Then tape those photos into the journal. Anytime motivation fades, open that journal up. You read page 1 and you look at those pictures and you remember why you started. Then flip the script. Write out the future version of you. Visualize how you look. Imagine how you will feel, how you move, how you carry yourself, the confidence you'll have. And that journal becomes discipline when motivation disappears, because motivation will not always be there. And every time you feel like quitting, open it up and read it. Anytime you feel like skipping workouts or binge eating crap food, open it up and look at those pictures and read those pages. All right, hopefully now you realize how important it is to get dialed in and prioritize your health. Start taking action today, man. Don't wait. If you want help putting it all together, click the link in the description below, because I created a free fat loss guide for men over 50. It gives you the structure, strategy, and starting point to take control of your health immediately. Thanks so much for watching my video, and as always, get busy, get after it, and God bless.